Hello guys, I am back and I just bought two different things from Hot Topic. Where is it? Oh my goodness, where did it go? Here it is. Hot Topic, and then something from Toys R Us. And now, I want to open them. Let's start with our Hot Topic thing.
Oh,
What?
man. I want you to open it.
I'm going to open him last. I got a Lucas amiibo. It'd go fast if you held the camera for me. I can't open it. Hear me. Opened it. I had to open it with my mouth because somebody won't help me. Everything. Okay, so let's see who I got. A Balloon Boy. Balloon Boy, if you can see it. Balloon Boy. That's one. Two.
Chandler, it made me think about Julie and her electrical service.
I know, I ripped the paper. Bear back.
Surgery.
Look guys, I got another Toy Chica. So what I'm going to do you want it?
You were serious, wasn't you?
Yeah, sure.
Because I thought.
Or do you want me to give it
I
away?
ain't paying it till after the surgery.
We're not
Because
going
you
to
never know what's going to happen.
the process of making a
Especially
giveaway.
nowadays.
I am. So,
It's on Swan Lake Road.
Mm-hmm.
here's this. I have another one already.
Pay to ship it.
I know. So, now, let's do Lucas. Just let me put all this stuff up. Mr. Amiibo Man. Lucas. He looks exactly like a boy in my class named Luke. That's funny.
Maybe they're secretly brothers.
Now, I'm going to video my brother opening them. Open it. Because you're not going to hold it. You won't hold the camera, so you're opening it.
I'm going to take a picture of y'all in your shirts.
Okay, that's good. Thank you.
No!
I can't get it out. Secret.
No, I said no because Jay took the box from me.
Look, it's Lucas. Now, pull him out. Oh, yay, it's Lucas. It's Lucas! Now,
You ought to take
for the wheel.
Hey, you're making me bald.
Oh no. Front,
pay for the water,
back,
all the shampoo.
side,
That's a nice shower you
and
get
side.
into. And you can't even wash your hair.
I do wash my hair.
Wheel,
Wash it. You wet it?
wheel.
You might put a little
Ta-da.
bit of on it, but you do not
Okay.
wash it.
This has been Toy Task Girl and Koopa. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I'm going to have his link in the description.